path to self-discovery and unparalleled joy. But I call it living. To embrace the wild, to seek out the unknown, is to truly live. It's in these moments that we find our true selves. To stand on the edge of a knife's blade, to feel the earth tremble beneath your feet, that's where you truly feel alive. It's a dance with danger, a flirtation with fate, and it's intoxicating. That's the allure of places like the Cliffs of Moher. These dramatic landscapes remind us of the power and beauty of nature and our place within it. They call to us, inviting us to explore, to dream, and to live fully.